Ibinahagi ng first-time rhythmic gymnastics qualifiers na sina Cielo Domenico at Anastasia Avery Lim ang kanilang excitement at paghahanda para sa Palarong Pambansa 2026. Sa murang edad pa lamang ay nahilig na sina Ko at Lim sa rhythmic gymnastics dahilan upang makamit nila ang iba't ibang parangal sa kanilang larangan. Bagamat challenging ang kanilang preparations, masaya pa rin nilang ikinuwento ang kanilang pagsasanay bago sumabak sa kompetisyon.
We had very long hours of training. We trained almost every day. We had lots of conditioning and we trained for so long.
Gymnastics takes a lot of time and patience. I just stayed consistent with my training and kept on showing up almost every day since 2022.
Baguhan man sa Palarong Pambansa, umaasa ang dalawang elementary students mula sa Bacolod City na makapag-uwi ng karangalan para sa Negros Island Region. Nagbigay rin ng pasasalamat at mensahe sina Lim at Ko sa lahat ng mga taong gumabay at sumuporta sa kanilang rhythmic gymnastics journey patungo sa Palarong Pambansa 2026.
My biggest goal for this year's Palarong Pambansa is to do my best, bring back all glory to God, and bring honor back to Negros Island Region.
I just want to make sure that I'll really do my best on the day of the competition.
I'm so grateful for their support and motivation throughout this journey to reach this stage of Palarong Pambansa. I'm really grateful for this opportunity, and just their support is so helpful to me, and I would really like to thank them.
Thank you to my parents and coaches for supporting me.
Para sa Palarong Pambansa 2026 update ng Bombo Radio at Star FM, nag-uulat Star DJ German ng 102.7 Star FM Manila, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!